So guys, along Kitisuru Road at Kibichiku is the Kitisuru Gardens, where Maisonettes are going at 16 million Kenya shillings. Let's tour this beautiful 3-bedroom Maisonette for you to look at it and think if it's worth purchasing, and if it is, reach out. I'll link you with a property agent for you to be able to purchase this beautiful Maisonette in Kitisuru Gardens. So when you enter the house, this is your living area. I like the theme of cream and brown on the tiles. Right ahead is your open kitchen. Next to it is your corner room. And of course, these beautiful stairways to the right, which lead you to the first level where there's the different bedrooms. And then, talking about the kitchen, you can see the amazing marble throughout the kitchen counters, the counter near the sink, and of course the seamless cabinetry, both overhead and additional storages, drawers, seamless cabinets with a consistent theme, which is very beautiful. What do you think about this kitchen? And of course, you have your space there where you can have your cooker and the respective sockets. There is a door which lets you out from the kitchen, and we're gonna go there for you to be able to look at it too. This beautiful cabinetry looks good outside and also is well done inside, as you can see. When you are in the kitchen, you're gonna have amazing views. You know, that big window allows natural light into the kitchen, and you have the double sink there. And also, as mentioned, your drawers are well done, as you can see. And this is the view of your living room from your beautiful kitchen. Let's go outside the kitchen through this door for you to see what is outside there. Of course, it's two things: space for your washing machine, and also some greenery space outside there with already some few planted plants there, but you are free to add. This is where you can put your washing machine very well enclosed. And this is your view of the kitchen from outside. When you open this door, it leads you to this small space outside here with some greenery and also your external drainage system. It is beautiful, guys. Now back to the living room. I want to show you the powder room. When you open the powder room, you have this beautiful sink with double taps, and of course the towel ring there, the overhead light on the mirror, and then this door opens the toilet, because this is basically a powder room or half a bathroom located on the ground level. And even from these, you can see the slide coming in, and the stairways has been used very well to create this toilet. Enough space. Talking about the stairways, let's go up for you to see this meticulous, well done stairways with very great finishing to ensure no quick wear and tear. This is the view of your kitchen and living space from your stairways. What do you think, guys? And of course, this side you have this tall window, right from the middle of the stairs all the way up to your bedroom level is this big window. And now once up the stairs, we can able to see these 3 bedroom doors. Of course, the first master to the left, then these 2 additional bedrooms, and then to the right there is the common washroom. We're going to look at all these for you to appreciate. And of course, the continuity of sconce lights throughout the property. Now let's look at the common washroom. Of course, your switches outside there. Then when you open the common washroom, you can see very well tiled, consistency of tiles on the floor, and then the complementing white tiles on the wall. It will benefit from a little painting because of course the property was built like about 2 years back, so the painting is a bit off, so it can benefit from the painting, but it is in good shape. What do you think? There's this sliding door which opens to your bathroom, and this bathroom is also well done, consistency of the tiles in the toilet and the bathroom, and then you have your rain head there and also your hand head to ensure you shower whichever way you choose, guys. And then of course fixtures to attach your towels and other accessories you want to put on the property. Now let's go and look at the bedroom, starting with the master bedroom. Of course, as you walk the master bedroom, down you can see the fleet of stairs. Very beautiful views, guys, with the light coming in on that tall window along the stairways. So when you open the master bedroom, you are also welcomed into this big bedroom that has a big window allowing for natural light to get into the bedroom, which I think is a very good design, because for a house you want to enjoy that natural light getting into the window, not just utilizing electricity all the time, right? And as you can see, the sconce lights consistency, ensuring you have the brightness you need, and from your window you can see the neighbors. I really like the white, cream and shade of brown color on the tiles, walls, and also your closet. As you can see, a beautiful closet there with ample space for your items. Now let's look at the master bedroom washroom. As you can see, the washroom is there in your master bedroom, toilet and the shower, your rain head there and also handheld in the shower, and of course the consistency of the tiles. What do you think about these, guys? Do you like the master bedroom, toilet and bathroom? Let's now walk back out, go see the other bedrooms. Starting with the first one on my left. Of course, these bedrooms are smaller in size compared to the master bedroom, but they avail the privacy of people sleeping in different rooms. If you have a sizable family, individuals could be sleeping in different rooms, availing that privacy. And as you can see, all the rooms have windows letting in natural light, and the consistency of the tiles continues and also sockets are available for devices. And also this room has a closet for the occupant to store their items. Of course, this closet is a bit smaller compared to the master bedroom, but is very, very functional for this particular room. Now let's go see the last bedroom. This is the last bedroom. Of course, by design, it's just the same as the other bedroom we've seen. Also, this could benefit from some retouch painting because some of the painting has faded a bit, but the structure is in good condition. This particular maisonette, the design is just the same as the other bedroom we've seen. Good size bedroom, easily fit a 5x6 bed. There's a closet there, there's sockets for your devices. What do you think about this house? And of course, it doesn't come with a gate. You need to install your own gate. Get inspirations from neighbors. And this is the main gate for maximum security, electric fence, ensuring only wanted visitors come in.